I don't think that motor's heavy enough to make the car. It is all that, because like there, I just tried. I just come back down as soon as I do it. And I got the lift all the way to the front, and I said, it should not try to tee you off the lift on. So I don't think it will, you.
All right, right now we're about to drop the chassis out of the car so we can get it painted and sanded and all that stuff.
Huh? I'm gonna cut the wheel loose and then I'm gonna let the car down and get the chassis on the ground. Then I'm gonna just raise the car up. That's the plan anyway. That's the plan. As long as they don't try to fold forward on me. See what it did? It fell right down. Huh? Now I gotta get. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get the front to stay from falling when I cut them bars loose. I'm gonna take that lift and put it anywhere else.
Like lift the body up.
Huh?
Like lift the body up.
Chassis figure out where enough now I can come down with the body some more and get that lift. I just don't want that motor to tilt the body out. Yeah, from me too much enough. So I can move that lift to anywhere else on the chassis on the front end. Maybe that'll do any better. Yeah, I can go right there underneath that. Yeah. Or, but I'm trying to see.
You already got it cut loose bottom and front?
No, I ain't got the front cut loose yet. I'm just trying to make sure they ain't gonna tear off and fall off the lift. Alright, so right now, I know it's not gonna fall off the lift right now.
Yeah, but the back's down, It ain't gonna, I don't think it'll tear because the weight. I mean, you still got quite a bit of weight back here. I mean, it don't look like it is.
I gotta put something up on the chassis to keep it from falling when I cut it right there.
You're picking the body up off the chassis,
Yeah, but it's gonna try to fall right there when I cut them.
Put some blocks on it, can't you? Go ahead and block it. Block it up. Where you want to block it up? What height you want to block it up
I
at?
got some jack stands I can put up on there, maybe. Alright, where's the two jack stands at? Let's see if it's up over there. Chassis. Put it on the other side over there. Might go a little bit higher, I don't know yet. Might go up higher. Put that jack stand all underneath that bar on the other side over there. Huh? Huh? See, got a chassis sitting on there.
Ain't touch this one yet.
Huh?
Ain't touch this one yet. Not yet.
I don't know why.
It is now.
Huh?
It's touched it now. They quit rattling. They quit rattling, it's touched it.
I don't know why this right here.
And that plate's gonna stay there.
Huh?
The plate's gonna stay there.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut that thing loose right there.
That wheel loose right there.
I'm gonna cut that wheel loose right there.
Loose there and everything. Alright, come loose now. It came right on up. Catching up. It's probably because it's rocky.
jack, you gotta kind of keep it facing there. That way I can pick it up straight up. That's one about that, see, I got that. There's something to keep that body from falling off that lift.
Huh?
And there's something to keep that body from falling off that lift because it's trying to teeter top. And if you get in the air, it's gonna try to fall off the lift. So.
Body.
Because it ain't staying. I got to tie the back end down somehow or another.
I want to do the way you can, huh?
Don't go through this lift thing.
It's kind of the same thing you did with the demon that time.
What'd you hook it at the top?
We'll figure out where I'm going to go.
That keeps from tilting like you were talking about earlier too, you
I'm
know.
talking about. I'm trying to keep from tilting on the front. I don't want to get in and fall the lift. I've seen so many people put cars on the lift and do some craziness and the whole car fall the lift.
But when you jack them things up, sometimes they're so heavy.
Yeah.
So now,
You lose your thing though, then.
Huh?
Hard to go out.
You what?
That much. It's still on the pinch wheel.
because once I get in the air and I want to let it back down, I want to
Yeah.
get the check out of it. I gotta see if it's kicking me right now.
Still loose. But it's off. It's up off the jack though. It's catching that side over there somewhere or another.
Kicking my lip over here.
Back a little bit.
That, and then get this thing out of the way too. Somebody. This thing out of the way, trying to catch on the.
It's gonna have to slide back just a tad, I think. I might have pulled the jack back a little bit to get thing back a little bit too.
Alright.
Might. Oh, that's still catching things. Hitting the rack.
It's off of it now.
It's still catching the rack over
No,
here.
it's gonna come off.
You got to go back.
Huh?
Got to come back to the back a little bit.
Oh,
You gotta get them jack stands up on there.
Yeah, we got to get them back.
Huh?
Pick the front back up. Actually, mash down on the back and pick the jack stand, put the jack stands back under it.
Just hold on, man. It's on the ground now anyway.
It's on the ground. You just got that Jackson that's over
It's on
on
the
the back.
ground now anyway. It's not matter nowhere. Is it tucking back here anywhere?
I don't see no more baby.
Nah.
It ain't touching, don't seem to be.
On that body, don't try to. The straps keep that body from coming up, right?
The body don't come with the straps on, I would think.
Yes, it should. It's already.
look.
No.
In case I do have to move.
Here we go.
So you can go ahead and move it back out now, right?
Move this all the way out here. I'm gonna go outside with it right now.
Can't turn it sideways now.
What's on top of it? I'm trying to get it sideways out here so I can.
You can get the car back down.
You know, I don't want to. I'm fine with going up with the car as long as I put a stand up on the front of it. You know what I'm saying?
We're going to stands with the front.
You lock the lid there and I'm trying to get the motor out of it, you know. There's something to keep you off that lid. If you come in here and the car will be standing up here, right here.
Oh,
Damn, bring it on.
that would not be good.
You don't sit right there now, because it's there and here.
It's sitting on
And
all
it's
four
passing down back there. It ain't going nowhere now.
So now I get here, I can plate all this stuff here.
Yeah.
Do all my wrestling welding here. I come in and put my ribs in this here, finish plating all this here like I want to now.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm gonna paint the whole inside in here.
Were you gonna paint it black or white?
Black, yeah, see black. I'm gonna leave it right here right now. Yep. I'm gonna just turn it sideways though. get all the welding done first.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'll be in school by then.
And you get up there, you can weld everything you want to weld. And if you could, I mean, if you would know where to weld it, none of that be welded.
Yeah.
I mean, so that
Well,
whenever,
we're on out now, okay?
huh? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But you couldn't weld none of that with the
That's
chassis.
right. No, we do, yeah.
That's where a lot of these people put the cars together and they ain't never welded on top.
There's a lot of them that ain't.
All right, we got the cage out, body sitting on the lift, cage sitting right here. Now we got to finish getting some of the welding done at the top that we couldn't get to while I was inside. And then after that's done, we can sand the whole cage and paint it. In the meantime, he's going to get some more plates done on the inside of the body, and then he's going to paint the inside black. After that's all done, we can put it back together and it'll be ready to go. Alright, they got the inside of the body painted black. Looks nice.